Welcome back to my channel Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. What is contra entry, imprest system and advantages of cash book?
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. Right, at our previous class we discussed about our cash book. How many types of cash books are there? 4 types. Simple cash book, 2-column cash book, triple column cash book and analytical petty cash book. Right. And now we are going to discuss about advantages of cash book and importance of 3-column cash book and contra entry and imprest system. Today we are going to discuss about these 4 topics. Right. First let us discuss about the importance of triple column cash book. Previous month balance C by D. We are prepare the cash book of the previous month. The balance C by D is carried forward to the next month as balance brought down. We already discussed about this in the ledger part. So in the same way cash book also we are having this. Right. This carry forwarded, this brought down the amount, either it's a cash or bank. The cash or bank, this brought down amount will always return in the debit side only. So we have to write here to balance brought down. The cash amount in cash, the bank amount in bank column. In the debit side only, not in the credit side. The brought down amount we always write in the debit side only. Cash in cash column, bank checks or bank in bank column. This is our first point. And next one. If overdraft is given in the opening balance. If overdraft is given in the opening balance, then it should be right in the credit side. In the bank column, we have to write bank overdraft and we have to enter the amount in the bank column only. This is our second point. If the bank overdraft is given as opening entry, it's an opening balance, it should be written in the bank column. Only the overdraft is given in the opening balance, it should be written in the bank column. And next one, any type of cash receipts, any type of cash receipt should be entered in the debit side in the cash column. And any type of payments should be recorded in the credit side in the cash column. We already discussed about this. According to the real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So this is the form. Payments should be entered in the credit side and receipts will enter in the debit side. And next one. We have sold some goods for a customer. That check, we didn't deposit that check in the bank. The check is with us only. So that check is, we have to enter that check amount in the cash column of debit side only. The check does not deposit it. The check is with us only. So that check amount should be written in the cash, in the debit side only. Right. And next one. The check is received today and we deposited in the bank today only. And we deposited the bank. The check is received today and we deposited that check in the bank today it seems. That should be written in the bank column, not in the cash column. So simple logic. We have received a check. The check we didn't deposited in the bank. The check is with with us. So it is in cash. We got a check. In the same day, we has deposited in bank. That will be the bank amount. We have to enter that amount in the bank column. And that should be recorded in the debit side bank column. And next one, if we has paid through check, we has received checks. In the same way, we also has to purchase some material from the manufacturing companies. So we has purchased some material and we has given a check. So that amount should be written in the credit side of the bank column. In the credit side bank column. And next one, if discount amounts either in the cash or by check, we can give discount or we can receive discount. Any type of discount, any type of transaction, discount on any type of transaction, the discount allowed at any situation in the 3-column cash book, at any situation, discount allowed. Obviously in the debit column, discount received. Undoubtedly it's in a credit column. And next one, a customer has given us a check. A customer has given us a check and we has deposited it in bank and the check has been dishonored. The check has been dishonored at any... The check has been dishonored. In that time, if the check is dishonored, we have to write that in the dishonored check in the bank column of debit side. Dishonored check, the amount in the bank column of debit side. And next one, the entries which is entered into the both sides, either in debit side and credit side, both sides. The which entry is entered at the both debit and credit sides should be written as contra entry in the LF number. See here it is an LF number. So we have to write C here. We will discuss the... So we have to write C here. Contra entry here and here. Both sides the same transaction will be entered. Then it should be in a contra entry. Let us discuss about contra entry. Before that, what we discussed? 9 important things of triple column cash book. 9 important things in triple column cash book. I hope you all understand that. And next, let us go for the next topic, contra entry. It's very important thing in the triple column cash book. Let us see what is that. Contra entry. What is this? Contra entry. What is the contra entry? It is very important thing in our triple column cash book. The entry which enter in the triple column cash book in debit side, in the same way in credit side also. That entries is called contra entries. For example, cash withdraw from bank. Cash withdraw from bank. What is the entry for? Cash withdraw from bank. Withdraw cash from bank. What is the journal entry for this? Cash account debtor to bank and bank is enter in the credit side of triple column cash book. So we have vice versa, cash and bank in the same entry. These type of entries is called contra entries. We can simply say at any entry which contains cash and bank, either cash in debit or bank in debit, whatever it may be, the entries which is in both cash and bank will be will be written as contra entry. Four important situations we have enter contra entry. First one is cash paid to bank. We have paid cash to bank. And second one is cash withdraw from bank for office use. Cash withdraw from bank for office use, only for the purpose of office use. If it is in a personal use, it does not get contra entry. If it is only for the office use, we have to withdraw the amount from bank. Cash paid to bank. We have paid the cash to bank. And bank charges paid. Bank charges means bank will charge some amount for transactions. For we get messages while we used to, nowadays we will use phone pays, Google pays, we will use all these type of facilities. For all these things, we have to pay some amount for the bank. So bank charges paid. So these four type of entries, we will get contra entry. First one is check deposited in bank. Withdraw cash from bank for office use. Paid to bank. Bank charges paid. So for these four types, we will get contra entry. For simply, if we get cash and bank in one entry, it will be a contra entry. Undoubtedly, it will be a contra entry. Right? The contra entry means in the LF number column, we have to write C. We have to write C. It is the sign for contra entry. See here, this is the sign for contra entry. Right, this is the topic contra entry. And next, let us discuss about the advantages of cash book. Advantages of cash book. Let us discuss about that. First advantage is, this is a main, important and very essential thing in the subsidiary book. And the second advantage is, by this cash book, the business organization can easily identify is the business in the surplus or in deficit position. If the business is in surplus, the business transactions, the business organization is going very well, and there is less expense and more incomes. So in the same way, the business is in deficit. So in that situation, there is more expenses and less incomes. So the businessman, the organization person, the business organizer can understand the business position through the cash. Cash book help us to know the working capital position. It may reduce mistakes or frauds, whatever, will be detected by closing the cash book. We can detect this type of mistakes or some frauds by this cash book. At the closing time, we can easily find the mistakes. A cash book. This is a cash book, right? A cash book will
imprest system?
System. We already discussed this system in the petty cash book. What is imprest system? The system means in the business, very large business organizations, the head cashier will give some amount to the sub cashiers in the different departments. We already discussed this in the previous class. If there is a big organization is there, in that organization we have some departments. Sales departments, purchase departments, HR department, these all are types of departments is there in one organization. So that organization has for all that organization we have a head cashier. For different departments, for each department we have a junior or a sub cashiers for that department. So the head cashier will give some amount to the sub cashiers for the petty expenses. That means postage, stationery, right, stamps, these all type of small expenses. The head cashier will give some amount to the sub cashiers. The sub cashiers will prepare a petty cash book. The sub cashiers will prepare the petty cash book. That petty cash book will submit to the head cashier for every 1 week or 15 days or 1 month. It's up to that organization basis. So this is
Imprest system.
So we have completed the theory part of cash book. Right? From tomorrow class, we will discuss about a simple cash book. How to prepare a simple cash book. Okay, bye. Hi friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. If you have any doubt regarding to this topic, please comment it in the comment box. Thank you.